You are basically about to undergo a psych evaluation so that you can be approved as an official agent of the Interplanetary Confederation. This evaluation will take place inside your mind. Therefore, we had to wait until you were asleep in order to initiate the evaluation program within your subconscious mind. The environment that you will be in for the session, as well as the person asking you the questions, will be an artificial simulation created from your own imagination. But the questions being asked will be coming from me. This will feel like a dream.